Hi guys, today is Tuesday, April 2nd, and I just wanted to touch base with you really quickly and fill you in on a couple of things that you need to be aware of for the next couple of days. So, first of all, if you have not completed your Common Lit assignment, the Facebook Friends reading assignment on Common Lit, it's posted on Classroom. Make sure you get that Make sure you get that done. It was technically due yesterday, so make sure you get that done and get that submitted. There was a compare contrast question that was posted the same day, and it was technically originally supposed to be due yesterday. I moved the due date to today, so get that question done today. Okay, and then the only thing you need to do for the rest of the week is make sure you're doing those journals. So by Friday, you should have done through slide 9. Okay. Um, Yeah, so by tomorrow. So today, slide 8 in the journals, tomorrow, slide 9. And that will be everything for the week. So if you have not done the Common Lit assignment or the compare contrast between the two passages question, get those done, get those submitted. And then journal slide number 8 and slide number 9 need to be done. Okay. One more quick announcement. You don't need to email me if you submit something late. I check your grades every single morning after I wake up. I go on a walk. I make my kids breakfast and then I get on and I do my sophomore assignments first. So you do not have to email me and say, "Hey, I got my journals done," because I check every morning to see if things got done. Okay, so if 2 days go by and you still haven't gotten your grade changed, then shoot me an email. But other than that, don't worry about it. I promise I will get it in the grade book the next day. Okay. Um, I think that's it. Things might look a little different on Monday. I will let you know how that's going to look. We're going to start a new topic, I think. So I will post tomorrow or Monday morning about what the week will look like next week. So it is supposed to be gorgeous out this weekend. Get out, enjoy some time, some fresh air, go on a hike, go on a walk, something, get out of the house for a little bit. It makes you feel better. Also, just know that I miss you. I know I say that every single time, but I just want you to know that it's true. I really love reading your journals. Please write in them. Those of you giving me like 2 or 3 words, give me a little bit more. Okay, so otherwise, yeah, I will be back next week. Okay.